with a velocity okay, car race. So car race means definitely starting and end point should be same. Okay, there's a starting point and this should be the end point. So what will happen here? This car and this car. So some data given, it will end up with less time, more speed, that will write it. So both should cover same distance. The distance covered has to be same because the car race, no? So there's a starting point, the end point. In a car race, and both will start at same time. That there's also condition t equal to 0. Both will start. Car A takes time t second less than car B. Okay, if this takes a time, capital T, T dash will write it. T seconds less. Shall we put it here? Or T naught will write it. Or will directly write there's a car A, there's a car B. Okay, I'll indicate the cars also. TA, this will be TB. T second less than car B and pass at the finishing point with a velocity V more than velocity with which car B. If car B moves with a velocity more than velocity of car B. So let this be equal to, I think this is data is what looking at the question, what I'm writing it. They both will start from rest and travel with constant accelerations A and B. So this will have acceleration A, this have acceleration B. I think before jumping into the problem, you first have a clarity. In a car race means, sorry, it didn't say it. In a car race, the starting and end point should be same. So both will cover same distance. That's the one thing. Then takes t seconds less than car B. If this will take time, say like some 10 minutes, 10 minus t, that's the meaning. And passes the finishing point with the velocity v more than the velocity with which car B passes. If the v is the velocity of the car B at the finishing point, car A what pen will pass with the velocity more than that of car B by v. So vb plus v will write it. So now he's asking to get the relationship between these things. What are the things we have? So we'll write equations of motion for them. Vb is equal to Vb square equal to 2bs. Vb square minus these 0 square equal to 2bs. Both the cars will accelerate. That's why I'm showing the accelerations in the same direction. V square final velocity minus initial velocity. So V square minus U square equal to 2 times of acceleration into total distance covered. I'll show this. I think it's enough. No. Keep it here. Then VA square, what you can write it as VA square minus 0 square equal to 2AS. S is unknown thing which is not given. So what you can do, you can divide or multiply, that has to be searched. Okay, then for one more thing. VA, you can write it as A into T minus T. VB, what you can write? B into T. Capital T is also unknown. I think this will be very challenging to eliminate the unknown things. That's all here. We have to eliminate all the unknown things, and we have to show that V square equal to V square by T square V square by T square equal to AB. Agreed? That's the equation what you have to show it. So now what is S? S is equal to A TA square. Okay, this will become A by 2. TA square will be T minus T whole square. At the same time, again, S is equal to B T square. Equating these two. So A by 2 T minus T square equal to B T square by 2. So A by B is equal to, what's the like B by A will write it. T minus T by T whole square equal to B by A. Capital T is unknown thing that should be eliminated. Okay, I agree this. Capital T, the unknown thing that should be eliminated. Okay, now what is VA equal to VB plus? Okay, this is some data which I got it from these two, equating and solving. Okay, let's have all this at one place. Okay, now we have to fight with the content here. Able to see? Yeah. Still, I'll make smaller. Okay, now everything is visible. Okay, some electric power gone. So, okay, no, it was restored. Okay, we'll continue. The symbols, no. So we'll do one thing. This is the unnecessary more symbols. I'll eliminate. It'll be like this. I'll rewrite once again. Instead of changing all the symbols, no, let me rewrite. This will be much easier. So we know the condition given is VA is equal to VB plus VB. TA is equal to TB minus TT. Unnecessary more symbols, I got confused. There's a thing. And what about the distance covered? It should be same. S should be equal to A TA square and also equal to B TB square. So I'm interested in this TA by TB. Let's see that. Or one more equation, I'll write it. So TA here you can write it as 2S by A. TB you can write it as 2S by B. So TA by TB dividing these two will be under root of B by A. This will keep equation 1 as it is. Next, let me come for this one. What is VA is equal to? VA should be equal to A into TA. VB should be equal to B into TB. Uniform velocity, the accelerated motion, they'll accelerate from rest. So let me substitute in this equation. VA, I'll write it as ATA plus VB plus V. Further, VB, what you can write it as? Let me write all the things. VB is what? BTB. So I do have now a set of equation. We will replace TB here we have no. So let me replace the TA, I'll replace it here. TA will be TB minus T equal to BTB plus VB. So this will become A minus B TB is equal to AT plus V. So finally this TB is equal to AT plus V by A minus B. Okay, there's a value of TB, that one. Okay, I'll go for this equation. This equation 2, I'll take it. So let me take the equation 1. TA by TB is equal to root of B by, this is equation 1. This I'll adjust 1 minus 1 on both sides. We'll see what we'll get it. So TA minus TB by TB is equal to root of B minus A into 1. TA minus TB from here, we can write it as T. Root of B minus A into 1. Okay, root of B minus A. Okay, this will be T by TB plus 1 equal to root of B by A. What is the value of TB? TB I had here, no? Let me substitute that. Oh, I am running out of space. Let me shift the old data up. Yeah. Okay, no, yeah, we are getting the space. Now this will become TB value we know. So put 2 in 3. Or we'll solve for TB only. I have to substitute here. TA minus TB will be minus T, no? Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll add plus 1 or minus 1. TA minus TB will be minus TL. Okay, now we'll substitute the value of TB. So this will be minus T. Very lengthy, little bit. Okay, well, we'll manage, no problem. Equal to, okay, root of B by A. Okay, what all I can do it now? Minus T. minus t minus at plus bt by at plus v plus 1 equal to root of b by a. And I think I'm very near to answer. This further simplification of this will be minus at plus bt plus at plus v by at plus v equal to root of b by a. These two will get eliminated. bt plus v by at plus v. Root of b by a is what we are getting. Okay, so further I have to go for one more. Root a b root bt root a plus av is equal to at root b root a, and this will be v root b. Yeah, okay. Any further simplification? This will become b root a minus a root b into t is equal to v root b minus root a. I think it has to be further simplified by taking the root analysis. Root b minus root a whole square. Okay, this will finally end up with this much. Yeah. If you solve further by taking the root, by taking conjugate, root of b minus root of a, multiplying this root of b minus root of a by root of b plus a, then this will become b minus a. So here root of b plus a, when you multiply, solve it, no? So we'll end up with finally equal to v equal to t root of b